Hey, if you've ever wondered how to turn your Bitcoin or crypto into real cash in your bank account, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase and transfer it directly to your bank account. And then I'll show you how tools like ZenChain AI can make this process faster, smarter, and way more profitable. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive in. Now here's the truth. Selling crypto for cash can feel confusing. Maybe you've asked yourself, do I need to move my coins to an exchange first? How do I avoid high fees? What if I sell too late and miss the best price? I get it. Most people either waste hours scrolling through charts or end up selling at the wrong time. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cash out safely, quickly, and with confidence. First, let's start with Coinbase. It's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there. Log into your Coinbase account, go to your portfolio, and select Bitcoin. Hit the Sell button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Choose your payout option, in this case, your linked bank account. Coinbase will instantly convert your Bitcoin into cash at the current market rate. Once you confirm, the funds will be transferred. Depending on your bank, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days. After you sell, the next step is moving that cash into your bank. Coinbase makes this simple. Go to Assets and select your cash balance. Click Cash Out. Choose your linked bank account. Confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your crypto profits are now real money you can spend, save, or reinvest. Now here's where things get exciting. Selling Bitcoin is easy, but selling at the right time is what separates average traders from profitable ones. That's where ZenChain AI comes in. ZenChain AI tracks whale wallets, the multi-million-dollar players who move markets. It shows you in real time when whales are buying or dumping Bitcoin and other tokens. Instead of guessing, you get insider-level data that tells you when to sell for maximum profit. Imagine this. You're about to cash out on Coinbase. ZenChain AI alerts you that whales are starting to sell off Bitcoin. That's your signal to lock in profits before the price drops. Or maybe whales are buying heavily. You hold a little longer, then sell at a higher price. This combination, Coinbase for the actual cash out, ZenChain AI for the timing, gives you a massive edge. You're not just selling crypto, you're selling smart. No more staring at charts for hours. No more guessing when to sell. No need for advanced trading skills. Just simple, actionable insights that help you maximize your cash outs. And the best part, you can do this from your phone, on the go, in minutes. Thousands of everyday people are already using ZenChain AI to spot whale moves and double their money before cashing out. Even beginners with zero trading experience are seeing results. If they can do it, so can you. So here's the takeaway. Use Coinbase to sell your Bitcoin and transfer it safely into your bank account. Use ZenChain AI to know when to sell so you're always ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what crypto you're planning to cash out next. Thanks for watching, stay smart with your trades, and I'll see you in the next video.